Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on Android. First, head over to the Google Play Store and download the game. It's a free download. Make sure your Android device has at least 2 gigabytes of RAM and a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, for the best experience. Once installed, simply launch the app and log in with your Activision account or choose to play as a guest. You'll be ready to jump into the action in just a few moments. Now, let's talk about controls. Call of Duty Mobile offers extensive customization options. Dive into the settings menu to adjust your HUD layout, moving buttons to suit your comfort. Experiment with different sensitivity settings for aiming and movement until it feels just right. You can also pick between simple firing, which auto-fires when your crosshair is on an enemy, or advanced firing for full manual control. Don't forget to try gyroscope, aiming for subtle adjustments. Ready to dominate? Remember to always use cover. Standing in the open is a quick way to get eliminated. Communication is key in team-based modes, so use the in-game chat or voice options to coordinate with your squad. Take time to learn the various maps. Knowing common choke points and flanking routes gives you a huge advantage. Experiment with different weapon loadouts to find what works best for you, whether it's a fast-firing SMG or a powerful sniper rifle. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Play various game modes like Team Deathmatch or Domination to hone your aiming and movement. Watching skilled players on streaming platforms can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and map awareness. Remember to regularly upgrade your weapons and unlock new perks to stay competitive. Most importantly, have fun. Call of Duty Mobile is designed for enjoyment, whether you're playing solo or with a squad of friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.